What's up, guys? Welcome to HDA Trading Empire. It's been a while I've posted a video on my YouTube channel, especially with weekly analysis or weekly outlook. But in today's video, we are going to do that. We are going to analyze the Forex market using technical analysis and see what is likely to happen in the market for this coming week. And we also have the US elections coming up on the 5th of November, and I believe we don't want to miss this analysis. We are going to look at how the US elections will affect Bitcoin, especially how the policies of Donald Trump and Kamala Harris is going to affect the crypto market space and the Forex market. But before we start the analysis, do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with every video and educational content I drop. Now guys, we first start with Euro USD. So for Euro USD, we can see that this pair is currently bullish. There is a change of market trend from a downtrend to an uptrend. So we are currently bullish on Euro USD. And now if you are to watch here carefully, you notice that we have a double bottom over here, which signifies a change of trend. So we have this double bottom over here. Let me change the color. So we have this beautiful double bottom over here, and we realize that price moved upward to break the neckline of the double bottom. So this was the neckline over here. This was the neckline over here. So now this is what we have. Now this is my expectations on Euro USD for this coming week. So I want to see Euro USD, move upward from this zone. You can see that Euro USD has tapped into this zone or the neckline of the double bottom. So since it has tapped into that, I'll move to the 1 hour time frame and look for a bullish confirmed candlestick. Then I place a buy trade on Euro USD. Or it's likely that Euro USD can just break this neckline downward, and when it breaks the neckline downward, my target will be at this key zone over here. So when price gets to this key zone over here, I want to see a bullish confirming candlestick on the 1 hour time frame, then see Euro USD moving upward. So for this week, I'm bullish on Euro USD. I'm very bullish on Euro USD. Guys, the next pair we'll look at is USD CAD. So for USD CAD, we can see that the current trend of the market is a bullish one. So for a bullish trend, we'll be looking for buying opportunities in the market. We'll be doing only buys on the market. We don't do anything, we don't sell, we just buy in the market. So spotting our key zones, we can have a beautiful trend line over here. So we have this beautiful trend line over here, right? And we can also have a key zone over here, a zone of interest over here. We have another zone of interest over here. Then we can get another zone of interest over here. So we realize that this is a very simple one on USD CAD. So now this is what I want to see on the market. Since I'm bullish on USD CAD, this is what I want to see. I want to see price drop down to this key zone or this key area over here. So I would like to use my triangle tool over here. I'd like to use my triangle tool. Yeah, I would like to use the triangle tool over here. So we have this triangle, right? So now this is what I want to see on price. I want to see price just drop down to this triangle over here, this key area over here. And when price gets to that area, I'll be looking for buying confirming candlesticks on the 1 hour time frame and buy USD CAD. Or it's likely that price will just do what? Price will break this whole triangle area here. So when price breaks this entire triangle area or the trend line, then I want to see price come down to this key zone over here, the zone of interest over here. Then look for buying confirming candlesticks and buy USD CAD. So this is a very simple one on USD CAD. Now the next pair we'll be looking at is gold. So for gold, for this coming week, I'll be expecting some sells on the market. I'll be expecting some drop in the market. So starting with our drawings, we have a beautiful trend line over here. We have a beautiful trend line over here. And now we saw that price broke this trend line downward and give us a retest on this trend line. We can see price moving downward. Since we are looking for sales in the market, this is what I want to see on the market. I have this E zone over here. I have zone of interest over here. So this is what I want to see on the market. I want to see the market do this. I want to see the market break out. And when the market breaks out, I wait for a retest to this key zone over here. And when price gets to this particular key zone over here, I'll move to the 1 hour time frame and look for a selling confirming candlestick and sell gold down. I'll sell good. So this is a very simple one on gold. And with the US elections on 5th November, I advise you guys not to trade because there's going to be a lot of noise in the market. The market is going to be behaving abnormally. So I'll encourage you not to trade the whole day on 5th November. Wait after the elections, then you start trading the following day. After the elections, then you start trading. So I advise you not to trade on 5th November because the market is going to be very volatile and behave abnormal. Now guys, the next asset we'll look at is Bitcoin. So before we start with our technical analysis, I want us to see how the US elections is going to affect the cryptocurrency space or Bitcoin. But before that, we have two candidates who are Trump and Kamala Harris. Donald Trump and Kamala Harris. Trump, who is a Republican, and Kamala Harris, who is a Democrat, and they've all laid down policies concerning cryptocurrency or the cryptocurrency space. Right now, let's start with Kamala Harris. So with Kamala Harris, we know that she's a Democrat, and the current administration, which is the Biden administration, who is also a Democrat, they weren't friendly towards cryptocurrencies. There were a lot of crackdowns on crypto exchanges like Binance, FTX, and Coinbase. And we also saw the case between Ripple and the Security and Exchange Commission, right? And we saw how Gary Gensler was against most crypto initiatives and projects, right? So people are having doubts whether Kamala Harris is also going to be friendly with cryptocurrency. But with Kamala Harris, she hasn't laid down any specific plans concerning cryptocurrencies, but she said that she would be more, she said that she's going to treat cryptocurrency differently from what Joe Biden did, right? So with Kamala Harris, there's no specific policy toward cryptocurrency. But looking at Donald Trump also, in the year 2019, Donald Trump spoke against cryptocurrencies, saying that it's going to enhance more illegal activities, right? And now we can see that he has a change of mind. So at a crypto conference in Nashville, Trump said he will make America the cryptocurrency of the planet. Bitcoin superpower of the world, and Bitcoin superpower of the world. And we also know that he has a non-fungible token, right? And we also know that his vice president JD Vance is also a crypto enthusiast. So with Donald Trump, he also recently made a comment that he's going to fire Gary Gensler, and I have the video for that, so I'll play the video for you to see what he said.
Bitcoin is not threatening the dollar. The behavior of the current U.S. government is really threatening the dollar. I will fire Gary Gensler and appoint a new SEC chairman. I didn't know he was that unpopular.
So now I strongly believe that if Trump wins this election, Bitcoin can pass 80K, right? Bitcoin can pass $80,000. And I believe that if Trump wins this election, Bitcoin is going to be very, very bullish in the market. Bitcoin is going to be very, very bullish. So looking at
our technical analysis over here. Now we have this key zone over here, we have this zone of interest over here, we have this particular zone of interest here, we have this zone of interest over here. I also have another zone of interest here. So we can see that currently Bitcoin has tapped into this zone over here, and we can see it pushing upward, pushing upward. So currently I'm not going to trade Bitcoin until the elections are over. So if the election is over and Trump is being declared as the winner, then meaning that I'm going to be looking for more buys on Bitcoin. But I'll first relax and wait for liquidity to be cleared in the market. And during the election, the market is going to be very volatile, and they are going to clear a lot of people. The liquidity has to be cleared. It seems there is a liquidity over here, so I think they are going to clear this liquidity at this particular zone here. And when liquidity is being cleared, that's when I'll enter the market. So after liquidity has been cleared, then I'll enter a buy trade only if Trump wins, right? But if Trump doesn't win the election, I don't trade Bitcoin. But if he wins, I'll be bullish on Bitcoin. Now guys, these are some policies of Donald Trump towards cryptocurrency. So the source of this information is from bankrate.com. So this is what he said about cryptocurrency, his policies towards cryptocurrency. He said he will create a government stockpile of Bitcoin. So you can just read that, you can just read the explanation over here. Then the second one, he said he will create a crypto advisory council. Then he said he will block the Federal Reserve from creating its own digital currency. That's the central bank digital currencies. Personally, I'm also against central bank digital currencies. I don't advocate for central bank digital currencies, so I'm personally against it. So these are some of the laid down policies of Donald Trump towards cryptocurrency, and I believe that if this man wins the US elections, trust me, Bitcoin can pass 80k. I'm looking, my target to be 80k, but it can pass 80k, right? So I'm just hoping that he wins the election. I believe that every crypto enthusiast like me also wants him to win the election. Now guys, we've come to an end of our weekly analysis. If you find this video valuable, make sure you hit the like button, and if you have any question, you can do what to ask in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to answer all of your questions. Thank you for watching. Peace. I'm out.